What's up, Panther fam? I'm Associate Principal Dan Bender. Welcome to our virtual tour. Our students compiled a great video of different locations throughout the school that you'll need to know about. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Hi, I'm Carly, and this is Jack, and we're both seniors here at Wilmot Union High School. We're currently standing outside of the district office. This is the location where the buses will be dropping you off in the morning, and this is the location where you will be getting on the buses after school. Follow us inside for more information about the district office.
Hey guys, this is the district office. District administrators will be found here. Now let's go check out the main entrance. Here we're at the main entrance. All students dropped off by car will enter through here. Let's head on in to learn more about the main office.
Once in the building, this is where late or returning students get let in. Here, Kiley is demonstrating how she scans her ID, grabs her late slip, and heads to the far right door to be let in. When you enter the main entrance, this is where you'll find the main office. Here, the nurse and administration is found. If you have any questions related to attendance or anything specific, here's where your questions will be answered. It is also very important to have your ID here. This is the Student Services office. It is located next to the PAW off of the Commons. Inside, you can find the school social worker and all of the counselors. If you have any questions related to scheduling or athletics, this is where you would go. Welcome to the PAW. Here, you can buy Wilmot Spirit Wear, and over there,
Food and snacks can be bought here, as well as school supplies, specifically PLTW and band supplies. Welcome to the Commons. Many students meet here before first period. Underneath the stairs is where school lunches are served, and many study halls are held here. This is one of many sporting facilities here at Wilmot. We also have the Mackey Gym and Wrestling Gym, the football and track field outside, and the Wilmot Sports Complex not far from Wilmot. You can also see the fitness center is above the field house, and Carly can tell you more about that.
this is the fitness center. For some gym classes offered here, you'll be up here using the equipment and working out. The fitness center is also open before and after school on some days. Welcome to Wilmot's library. This is one of the most diverse areas of the building, where you'll find many different things, and now Jack will specifically describe some of the locations here.
To start with the library, books fill our shelves and are divided by color-coordinated genres. Desktop computers are found throughout the library and are all able to print to the main printer. This is our book checkout and book return. Our librarians, Mrs. Hammersmith and Mrs. Pieper, will be helping you out here and with any questions you have around the library. This is the testing center. If for some reason you need to make up a test or retake a test, this is where you'll be able to do that. This is a library cafe. We have popcorn every other day of the week. We have coffee, and we also have a charging station for your phones or headphones. And this is a very popular place to hang out.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the show. Make sure you stop by and say hi at some point during the school year. Can't wait to see all of you guys, and have a good day.